Welcome to Joey's Curiosity. If you think elementary school math is nothing but dry equations, rigid textbook worksheets, and endless, exhausting calculations that take all the fun out of thinking, get ready to change your mind completely. In this video, we tackle a brilliant Math Kangaroo Level 5-6 brain teaser called the Hexagonal Sum Challenge, using pure logical thinking, creativity, and an ingenious visual grouping strategy instead of mindless rote memorization. Let's get right to quiz. The diagram shows 3 hexagons with numbers at their vertices, but some numbers are invisible. The sum of the 6 numbers around each hexagon is 40. What is the number on the vertex marked with a question mark? A, 3, B, 4, C, 5, D, 6, E, 7. This is the brief on solving the overlapping hexagon puzzle. So we're looking at a logic puzzle featuring 3 interconnected hexagons where the 6 corners of each shape absolutely must add up to 40. And we're going to use a brilliant mental math grouping trick to find the missing piece by gathering clues from the outside in. First, instead of agonizing over individual missing numbers, we just group them. You see, the left hexagon has 4 visible corners, 5, 8, 2, and 5, which equals 20. Since the whole shape has to hit 40, the 2 corners it shares with the middle hexagon must add up to 20. Now, you might be wondering, why guess the exact numbers of those shared corners? Well, you absolutely don't need to. We just need their total sum. Second, we're going to apply that exact same grouping logic to the right hexagon. Its visible outer corners are 6, 7, 10, and 5, which gives us 28. To reach our magic number of 40, those 2 shared inner corners simply have to equal 12. It's totally like finding the weight of a whole basket instead of weighing every single apple inside it.
Finally, let's bring it all together to crack the middle hexagon. We've got our grouped sums, right? 20 on the left, 12 on the right, and 1 visible number right at the top, which is 3. Add those up in your head. 20 plus 12 plus 3 equals 35. Because this middle shape also needs to hit 40, the missing question mark is simply 5. Grouping unknown values together literally turns a complex web of numbers into super simple subtraction.
Thanks for watching. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, so make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Don't forget to like and comment to let me know you're here. See you in the next one.